How to use AutoZone for car parts lookup. To use AutoZone for car parts lookup, first identify your vehicle on the AutoZone website or mobile app to ensure compatibility. You can then search for a specific part and verify fitment using their specialized tool. First of all, you want to open the AutoZone app onto your device. Then you have to enter your car's year, make, model, engine size into a vehicle selector on the home page. So you have these fine parts at the very top. Then you just want to make sure to go ahead and look for the one. What is it? Whether you could also go ahead and scan to search as well. You just want to make sure to enable the camera, and you just want to make sure to go ahead and face the camera right into the part that you are looking for. And this is going to help you out, so I'm just going to go ahead and just simply do this. All right. I think that this is not going to take it, as this is not a car part. So you just want to make sure to have a car part, and then you could go ahead and search for it, and this is how you will have a variety of options listed over here. So with that, we've completed our steps. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.